Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today in this video I want to talk about a BTAF token. So dear friends, finally the wait is over. BTAF token has been listed on bitmart.com. Now you can also trade on Bitmart and you can also buy and sell BTAF token. So I will explain each and everything about its amazing new feature like that, about its NFTs, as well as I will tell you how can you stack and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start the further review, I would request you, if you are a new one on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, the official website is btaftoken.io. I have placed link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, I also recommended to all of you, so before investing in this project, do your own research and also download its white paper and read it thoroughly and understand before investing in this project. So here we can also learn about its introduction. So Bitcoin ATAF has been a trusted source for traders since 2016. So it's provide technical training, trend data and research reports for traders of all skill levels. So the product help you increase your knowledge, make more informed trading decisions and develop strategical goals for different trading styles. So whether you are need technical training or an accomplished trader looking to add an edge to your skills, Bitcoin TAF can help you confidently achieve your goal. So since its inception in 2016, cryptocurrencies has allowed rapidly given rise to numerous digital assets such as DeFi, gaming, NFT and metaverse. So this has resulted in an era of new projects and platforms. So Bitcoin TF, a leading platform in the cryptocurrency space, has been at the forefront of developing trend reports, providing timely training and education courses to cater to the needs of beginners as well as experienced traders across different regions of the world. Here you can also learn more information about this project and learn the problems and solutions with the help of BTF token as well. So here we can also learn more information. So I have placed all official link in my video description, and here we can also learn that we can use BTF token to purchase goods and services on platforms globally as well. Now I also recommended to all of you must be joined its Telegram community to get latest news and updates as well. So I have placed link in my video description and must be joined its Telegram to get latest news and updates as well. So here we can also learn about its total transactions detail, wallet holders detail and total supply $200 million as well. So here you can also check out the contract address of BTAF token as well, and if as you can also join the BTAF officially announcement channel as well to get latest news and updates. The question is that why we should buy BTF token. So DFS purchase product using your BTF token on Bitcoin TAF.com. Their BTAF pay as well become part of the unique DeFi ecosystem. Lower your transactions fees when using BTF token, and BTF token is the native token for Bitcoin TF.com as well. The community consists of over 16,000 members, and Bitcoin TF has a 23% new member growth years on years as well. So since 2016, Bitcoin TF has paid out $6 million plus dollars in Bitcoin commissions, and as well 2,68,900 statistical data points for 2023. Over 30 stats per hour derived from sales, transactions, downloads and paid commissions as well, and 212 million analytical reports, downloads and views since 2016 as well. Now its native token is also available for trade on Bitmart, DexTool, CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, TradingView and CoinGecko. You can choose any trusted website. All are trusted and secure and reliable. You can make trade and right now buy this amazing token and stake and make a lot of profit as well. So here we can also check out about BTF token NFTs as well and unlock the world of digital collectibles and learn about BTF token NFTs as well. In the fast growing world of blockchain technology and digital asset, BTF token NFTs have emerged as a unique and exciting way to own, trade, and experience digital collectibles. These non-fungible tokens offer a glimpse into the futures of digital ownership and are making waves in the art, gaming, and entertainment industries as well. So here the question is that what are BTF token NFTs? So NFTs are digital tokens that represent ownership of a specific unique digital item and asset. In the case of Bitcoin's TF, it have a unique cyber bulldoze, unlike traditional cryptocurrencies such as a Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable. NFTs are one of a kind and individuals as well. So each NFT has a distinctive value and ownership is recorded on a blockchain, providing transparent and immutable proof of ownership as well. So here are available collection like the Top Dodge, Blue Lighter, and Organic Letter as well. You can choose anyone and check out all information. So first we are going to also check out the Top Dodge. So the NFTs are very cool, rare, and amazing. So you can also said that these are the masterpiece as well. So here you can also visit, and here you can also check out the Blue Lighter as well. So amazing, fantastic NFT DFN. Now you can also check out their price in Ethereum, as well as you can buy right now, and you can also make your day with amazing NFTs. So here we can also check out the organic lighters as well. So amazing, some have already sold and some are left. You must be buy it right now. Here you can also check out all information as well. So dear friends, I also recommended to all of you. Here you can also stack your BTF token and earn a lot of profit. So stacking made simple with BTF stack as well. Now first you need to buy, then you can easily made stack here and earn a lot of profit. So here you can also learn that a great option for collect more BTF token to use on Bitcoin TF.com. Use BTF to pay for product and services with BTF Pay as well. So here you can also check out the link of the BTF Pay as well. So dear friends, here you can also check out stacking in this contract is live now. You can interact with this contract as normal. You can stack for 6 months and you can get 20% APR, accumulated annual percentage rate as well. So here you can also check out another contract like that 90 days. You can get 35% APR, and you can also choose 90 days for 35% as well. So here you can also check out all other like that. This contract has matured and 90 days 65% APR, accumulated annual percentage rate as well. You can choose anyone and you can also stack and earn a lot of profit. Here you must be read out the terms and conditions like that audit report and before stacking here as well. So dear fans, now let's check out how can we buy there. So first you come on the CoinMarketCap. Here you can also check out this token, and you can also check out its market cap is more than 2.57 million as well. Here you can also check out the total supply and maximum supplies detail as well. You can also learn more information as well. So dear fans, if you come on the trading view, here you can also check out its current price as well, and you can also make trading here and check out all information as well. So it is also available on coincheco.com as well. You can also check out its current price, as well as you can also analyze its price chart, and you can also check out all information, maximum and 24-hour trading volumes detail as well. So DFS, it is also available on dextool.io. Here you can also check out market cap is $20.97 million and 24-hour volume is more than $500. So it's very pretty good and amazing DFS. Now here you can also check out the score rate is 75 or 99. So it's pretty good and a lot of people are already buying this token and trading. You can also make trade as well. So here is the Bitmart. I have also placed link in my video description. Now officially it is available with USDT pair. You can also buy or sell here, and you can also trade, and you can also buy or sell this token right now here. So DFS, if you want to be swap, so you can come on the PancakeSwap, and here you can need to connect your wallet, which wallet you want to be connect, like that MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet Connect, or any other wallet in which you have some balance, like that your BNB, then you can easily swap BTF token here. So here, after connecting your wallet, you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent, like that. If you want to bet 0.1 BNB, then you can check out how much token you can get, like that 400, and it is 68.109 token as well. So it is very easy way to swap right here and hold it, and also stack and make a lot of profit as well. So dear fans, here we can also check out about its BTF token. If you want to be buy, you can also buy it from direct, or you can also get the link from on the official website, as well as you can buy it directly from here, and you can check out token, like that. You can purchase now more than 100 or around $15,000 you can spend easily here. So you can also get the gift here. So dear fans, this exclusive feature allow you to sign gift, don't miss out, login now to send gift. So how can you log in? So first you need to click on the sign up button, and you need to create your account, and then you will be able to log in, and you can also avail this gift as well. So it is very easy way, dear friends. First you need to enter your unique name, then enter your email address, password, re-enter password, enter your referral ID, and you can also do the option, you can find out my referral ID in my video description, and then simply click on the checkbox I agree to the term and policy as well. Now then click on I am not a robot, and then simply click on the register button after choosing the image that is required, like that the car as well. So I have already created my account, so I need to go to login. So you can also click on the login button, and then easily you need to enter your information, like that. Here you need to enter your email, password, and click on the login button, and then you can easily get a login here. So it is the first interface of the dashboard once you create your account. And here you can also find the sponsors. There are 7 ways to earn income with the Bitcoin TAF. So at Bitcoin TAF, independent affiliate are our most important asset, and we have reviewed them, an expansional generous affiliate revenue plan. So there are 7 ways to earn income with Bitcoin TF. Check out the revenue plan. So you can also join it right now and make a lot of profit as well. Here we can also choose the events calendar and exams here, and check out all information here, and much more are here, and active subscriptions detail you can also do right here as well. So on the left side you can also find out the menu bar. You can also join its Telegram bot as well. So I have also placed link in my video description, and you can also choose its goods detail as well, and check out all information. Here is our online store, like that, product and subscription. Yeah, you can also check out your orders detail, as well as you can also check out the business builders detail and deposit wallet profiles, blogs, and help center. You can also buy BTF token and directly, and buy NFTs as well through your BTF token as well. So here you need to click on my deposit wallet, and here you can also check out all information, and you can also make your deposit as well. Here you can also need to enter your add credit as well. So here you can also check out all information as well. So DFS must be download its white paper and get a lot of information related to this amazing project, and it can really help to understand better this project, and then you can easily invest here. Here you can also check out its amazing roadmap and how the things are going on. You can also check out all information, and you can also check out the distributions detail as well. So dear fans, here we can also learn more information on the main side, dear fans. So you can also check out all information, and on the right side, dear fans, you can also check out the social media links, and must be follow them and join their social media to get latest news and updates. Here you can also check out its partner detail, and like that, Bitmart, Coin Market Cap, Pancap, Swap, Binance, Bybit, Qcoin, CoinJacko, Binance Pay, Dextool, and many more. So these are very famous and strong partners are with them, they are supporting. And here we can also check out its roadmap, and you can also check out one by one as quarter wise, and check out ongoing developments and detail in this project as well. So I recommended to all of you, must be follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates as well, and must be buy its NFT. It's a new feature, as well as must be stack and earn a lot of profit through this amazing project. I hope so you like this video. I share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.